All right, we get a question and have to work on sometimes older type of vessels that still have wire halyards. Those wire halyards are something that they want to replace with a line and modernize the rig. And that is very common. That happens a lot. We're seeing that more and more and more, especially older Haryards or older production boats from the 40s, 50s, and 60s. And that is very possible to do. And the thing that we have to consider the most is that what kind of strength and what kind of line. Most of the time, those type of vessels have a very specific sheave that's at the top of the mast that's designed to take wire. And over years and years, that sheave, especially if it's made out of stainless or some sort of, even old steel galvanized, they get scored because of the wire. So a lot of folks will just take the wire off and they'll run up, a double braid and wonder why in about 3 or 4 weeks it's broken and it's damaged. So we try to educate people to make sure that if you're going to replace the wire with the rope, you very often have to replace the type of sheaves that are the line is running through up aloft. And so that may require waiting until the fall when you can pull the mast or sending somebody up in a bosun's chair to replace that sheave. But you really want to do it when the mast is down and we can get those sheaves out and take a look at them. So replace the sheaves first, and then we can decide what kind of line you're looking for. Are you looking for a high performance line, or are you looking for just a Samson double braid if you're a cruiser? So we don't even splice rope to wire anymore. It's just not common, and it's not something that we recommend as far as rigging if you're replacing wire with rope. And nowadays, because of we have Dyneema in play, again, the Dyneema if a 1/4 inch Dyneema is equal or stronger than 1/4 inch wire. So you've got the exact strength of the wire, replacing it with Dyneema type line, and you've got better flexibility, less noise up aloft. If you're out at sea and something breaks and it's wire, you're in a tough spot. Where with a line you can send another line up if you have to, and somebody in a bosun's chair. So using line instead of wire is a much better alternative because you have so much more choices nowadays than you did 40 years ago.